Okay, in this tutorial we will use the SPI, Serial Peripheral Interface, in Raspberry Pi and read an RFID reader. So reading a tag from an RFID reader. So the first thing we need to do is to enable SPI in the Raspberry Pi config and install the Python SPI packages. Of course we will use Python in this example. And then we'll create the code to read the RFID reader and send this RFID tag to the MQTT IoT cloud. So the first thing to do is to open the preferences here and go to Raspberry Pi config. Interfaces here, you need to enable SPI. It's already done here, but here otherwise you need to click here and OK. And press OK. So then you have enabled the SPI in the Raspberry Pi, and you can check that this is running by doing ls-mod and pipe this to SPI. Then you should see this SPI BCM 2835. Then everything is OK. Then you should do sudo update just to ensure that everything is up to date, and then upgrade. Okay, so now the Raspbian is up to date. Then we will just ensure that the Python 3 pip is installed OK. That's very good. So now we actually will install the Python libraries for SPI dev. And that didn't really work very well. So if this happens, you need to uninstall and reinstall Python pip. So now we have gotten these. We just reinstall the things that was removed up here. I still want to have these two, so I install them again. Of course, the script here only reinstalled the pip. So now let's try and see if we can run it again. And that was OK. And then we also need to install MFRC522, which is the library for the RFID reader we are going to use in this example. Okay, so now everything is installed as we wanted to. So in the next video we will actually start using the RFID reader and write the code for that.